The MQ-9 Reaper is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed primarily for military applications by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. It is a versatile and sophisticated platform known for its long endurance and ability to carry out a variety of missions. The MQ-9 Reaper is designed for long endurance, high-altitude surveillance, and strike missions. It is primarily used for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, and precision strike missions. The Reaper is a larger UAV compared to earlier drones like the MQ-1 Predator. It has a wingspan of 66 feet and can carry a significant payload of sensors, cameras, and weapons. The MQ-9 Reaper is capable of carrying a variety of weapons, including precision-guided bombs, missiles, and other munitions. This allows it to conduct targeted strikes against ground targets. It is equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, including infrared sensors and radar systems, for both day and night operations. These sensors provide real-time intelligence and targeting information to operators. GBU-12 Paveway 2, a 500-pound laser-guided bomb, AGM-114 Hellfire 2, an air-to-ground missile that can be used for anti-armor and anti-personnel engagement. GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack Munition, JDAM, a munition that can be targeted using the Reaper's synthetic aperture radar. Like other UAVs, the MQ-9 Reaper is remotely piloted by operators located in ground control stations. It can be operated from remote locations, often thousands of miles away from the actual mission area. The MQ-9 Reaper, a versatile unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, primarily used by the United States Air Force and other international militaries, is powered by a Honeywell TPE-331 turboprop engine. This engine is specifically designed to meet the requirements of long-endurance missions. The MQ-9 Reaper also has a multispectral targeting system, MTSB, that includes a color/monochrome daylight TV camera, an infrared sensor, an image-intensified TV camera, a laser rangefinder/designator, and a laser illuminator.